So that actually took pretty quick. I got this delivered yesterday. So ply line floor. This came from Van Ply. I'll put a comment in the, or a link to the name of the company, from England, and I think it's about 30 quid to get it, or 40 quid to get it sent over from England. Pretty well cut, and they cut out for the tie downs, they cut that, so I'm going to use those as anchor bolts to tie down my furniture. So that's my plan, and so I have a big heavy rug, a big heavy mat I've got on top of this, and I'm going to use that as a weight to keep the whole thing down for a couple of days. That's right, so this is the cover I'm going to go for here. It's just a bit of weight on top of this, just to keep everything down. I'll get added weight on top of that now, and so this is pretty much cut exactly the same as the ply I got, and yeah, I'm very happy with that now. So what I'm going to do is have a bit of timber to go between there and there, and that's going to house my electrics. So I'm going to get that cut now, and or get it scribed and get it cut. And so that's that done. I've just the floor covering down temporary, and just a wee bit extra weight. Of course, the yacht cinders, keep it all down, keep that on for the rest of the day until I head out this evening. Next thing I'm going to get I'm going to move indoors now because it's raining yet again. I'm going to get the solar panel in front of me clamped onto the top of the tent box. Actually heard in the news yesterday, I don't know if you heard it, Valentia Island, it's rained every single day since the beginning of the year, 49 days, and they're now rained on again, 50 days. Unbelievable. But there you are. So job done. I've got the solar panel on top of the roof tent, just these 4 of these brackets there and there into this T-channel, and I don't know if you can see up in there, but they're well secured. There's no moving that now, I hope. But now that's a good job. Now I'm well happy with that there, and yeah, she's nice and central there, and the hydraulics, the gas struts, they can push that up nicely. So another job done. Next thing is to get this on top of the van, I hope.